Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 1, Chapter 21 and the chapter name is Good Habits. So today we will see that the good habits and some few new magical words in this chapter. It's very important chapter and I hope that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that the germs will kill and will not present inside your body. And it's just a request. Please enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludo, Scandom, video games. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework, your homework which you received on online classes. You can read the chapter also. You can write. You can complete write also so that your handwriting will improve. You have a lots of time, so use the time. Don't waste the time. And whenever the online class will over, so please go through the book and whatever your app teacher has taught you on online classes, you can read the chapter thoroughly and you can read the line by line so that your reading skill will also improve. And you just complete all the homework in your SST fair copy. So once the school will open, if I will ask the SST homework to you, you have to show me, and it should be in legible handwriting, good handwriting, and please use the dark pencil. And you have a lots of time, so please use the time, don't waste the time, and please don't go outside. It's a very serious situation like pandemic disease COVID-19. Because of this virus we can die also, so it's better that we can stay at home, we can be healthy, and we can be with our parents and with our family members. And no need to go outside. You can attend your online classes and you can complete the homework which you received on online classes. It's a short chapter. The exercise also I will give you in lecture number 2 so that you can complete it in your fair copy. And the all new words that if you have the book, then that also you can write on from your book. If you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So here I am going to explain you the chapter. So I am reading, you also read with me, and whatever I told you to underline the important things, that you should underline it with pencil. So it's better that you can take out your pencil also. Now, do you know the magical words? Now some magical words is there. So can you know that magical words? Now what are they? What are the magical words? What are that words? Then they are, you can underline from there. They are, these all are is a magical words. So they are please, sorry, excuse me, and thank you. From they till thank you, please underline it. They are please, sorry, excuse me, and thank you. So these 4 words is a magical words. So in please, when we are using the please, like suppose when we want something, then we use the word please. Like suppose we want something from the other person, like a pen or pencil, then we can say that please can you give me this pencil. Next, sorry magical words. We use these magical words when we have done something wrong. Like suppose when we have slapped our smaller brother, or maybe something, if we have hurt someone, then we will say that sorry, I just done it's by mistake. So sorry we have said when we had done some mistake. Then excuse me, the third word, magical word, is excuse me. Suppose that someone is blocking the road, our way, or someone is taking or something we want to take, then we will say that excuse me, can we take that things. Then thank you. So thank you is what, it's also a magical word, and we can use the thank you when someone has given something. Like suppose that our friend has provided us a pen or pencil, then instead of that we will say the thank you. So these all are the 4 magical words. So from they till thank you, you have to underline it. Again I am repeating, like they are. So these all are the magical words: please, sorry, excuse me, and thank you. Now, what do you do when you get up in the morning? Suppose that it's when you wake up in the morning. Now what do you do? Like, do you wish everyone good morning? Yes or no? If you don't, then it's a very bad habit. So you have to absorb the good habits. For that, whenever you wake up in the morning, you just said good morning to every person in your family member. So it's a good habit, and we have to wish every person, and say good morning. So these also. And suppose when we are getting when we go to sleep at night, then on that time we wish good night. So when we get up in the morning, we say good morning, and when we go to bed before sleeping, we have to say the good night. So it's a good habits. You have to absorb it inside. Now next is some pictures is there. These all is a good habits, and you have to follow these all good habits. First is good night. So when we say good night, like when we get up in the morning, then we will say good night? No, it's wrong. When we go to the bed before sleeping, we said good night. Before sleeping, we just wish the parents good night, and we get up, we will say the good morning. Next, excuse me. So one girl is there, and she wants duster or maybe book. Then she is asking to her teacher that she just want that book. Then she is saying that, excuse me ma'am, can I take this book or copies? Then excuse me, when we want something, then we have to say that things. Or suppose when we want to ask some questions from the teacher, then we will say that, excuse me ma'am, I have some problem and I want to ask some questions. So on that place, we just use this magic word. Next, thank you. One girl and boys is there. You can see in third picture, both are exchanging their gifts. So on that time, they are just said to each other thank you, because they both are gifting the things to that. Suppose like someone is giving us a pencil or something, a chocolates, then for that we have to say the thank you, because it's a magical words and we have to use it, and it's a good habit also. Next, respect elders. We have to respect our elders. We should not speak loudly to elders. We should not talk in rudely. We should always polite with elders, and we should always respect. Next is sorry. Sorry, when we said sorry, like suppose when we have done something wrong, then on that time we just say sorry, that yes, it's my mistake, I have done something wrong. So if you have done something wrong, on that place we just say sorry. Next, please is there. So please, we should use that something we want. Like suppose you want some crayons or chocolates, and you are just saying to your parents or your father that I want that, then you will say that please just give me 10 rupees, so I want that to borrow these all things. Next page number 88. We should be polite to people we met. So suppose when we meet sometimes new person, on that time we should not rude always. We should always be polite. Polite means like having or showing good manners. So if the person who have a good manners, they should always talk with polite to whom they have met. So we should always polite with the people that to whom we meet. Next, what we do every day becomes our habits. So for every day what we will do, that things will become our habit. So a person with good habits is liked by everyone. So if you have a good habits and you have a disciplines, then you can liked by everyone. So a person, if they have a good habits, then a good habit person, he just liked by every person. No one hates them. We should try and learn good habits, and we should always try and learn good habits and to become a good person. Next, did you know good morning can be said in several different ways in different languages? For example, in Hindi, good morning is Suprabhat. So it's written, did you know that good morning is a word that we in English we should like we are just using to wish when we get up in the morning. So it's a word, good morning is a word, and it can be said in different ways in different languages, like in different, like Hindi, English, then Urdu, then many different languages are there that you will go in higher class, then you will learn. So with in different languages the people is saying the good morning in several different ways. Like one example is there that in Hindi, like good morning it's an English word, and good morning in Hindi we are saying Suprabhat. Now about the good habits and the exercises that I will give you in the next video. So please guys watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.